Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video I'll provide you detailed demonstration how you renew your residence permit here in Luxembourg. It's very simple process. You just require 9 documents and you collect those documents and take a printout and send one particular address, and after that they are providing you one biometrics related date, and then you book biometrics appointment, visit on immigration office, provide your biometrics information like your fingerprints, face ID, and after that within 8 days you receive new residence permit in Luxembourg. How you get, how to apply, which application form you require, and which documents we are required, where we collect those documents, and what is the process, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Now let's start as a laptop screen. So I will provide you how many documents you require and where you collect those documents. So now let's start as a laptop screen. So this is my laptop screen, and here I already added the folder name like a renew residence permit in Luxembourg. So here some of the documents we require. So document number 1, application. So this is the application. I email them, so that point of view they are sending me this application form, but I already added this application form in video description. You click and just simply download this application form and fill out like your first name, last name and middle name, your date of birth, your birth city and country, nationality, and your Luxembourg address you added here in Luxembourg address. Then after postcode, email address, you add here mobile number. My current residence permit expire on 4th of April 2023, so I apply this one is the 12th of January 2023, around 3 months ago. They already mentioned you can apply 2 months ago, but I safe side I applied 3 months ago. And how many documents you require, so here is a documents related list is available. You need to passport copy, your contract, certificate of affiliation, and residence certificate you require. So where you download this one, we will see detailed demonstration. At the end you need to pay 80 euro and this particular account number, and take a printout of this transaction, and you can submit this one also. At the end you bring those documents, so you need to send those entire document on this particular address. So first is application form, next one is your employment contract, like a 3-4 pages employment contract with your signature. Next one is a criminal record. You need to apply as a criminal record. So you can get criminal record as a 2 point. You just go as a commissioner office and take up a criminal record, but without going anywhere, you just follow my tips and tricks and get criminal record very easily online in your home or office. Open here Google and type here criminal record in Luxembourg, enter. The first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. So here criminal record is absolutely free of cost. You don't pay anything. You just simply click here online services, and here application of extra police criminal record as a person, online services, get to process. You provide here your username ID of Gucci.lu. You know very well about if you are living in Luxembourg, so you need to provide authentication. I enter already. Here is my name, security code, and I say yes. You just convert as a English language, and that keep going. Okay, today is 14th of April. Continue, confirm, send. You send the record point of view in this commissioner office, and after that you just simply download this one application form. After that they are sending one email on your email address here, and here is your criminal certificate is automatically receive you here very easily. Application form you already sent it the application form, police record, and here look at this, I sent them and they are providing me here criminal record. It's very easy. You can get criminal record within 5 to 10 minutes, online only, no need to go anywhere. Second document we require as a certificate of affiliation. How to download certificate of affiliation? You just simply type as it is in Luxembourg. First link is display here. I already added this link in video description also. You can apply this one also, is absolutely free, no need to pay anything. First of all we enter here in my GUICH this ID, and here your certificate of affiliation is already done. you just simply click and download the certificate of affiliation. Look at this here, your company name related information is coming. You just simply download and use this document, download and use this document like this. Next one is a residence certificate. We require as a residence certificate also. Just type here residence certificate as it is in going to the here, and here residence certificate, application of certificate of residence. You click here, print off residence certificate, enter. So you need to add here and add some of the information like a family status, identification number, complete address or last address. So I use my current address, generate, and here residence certificate is generate. So this is a simple process to get residence certificate. Next document, your residence, current residence permit, means this permit, you can scan this permit and add it there. Next one is your new passport. So scan entire page of passport, yours new passport, and take a printout. Next one is an old passport. Why I am providing them old passport? Because if I call this particular immigration office and they are told me you can scan the old passport, new passport, take a printout and send with us, because of as a security point of view. And last documents here in bank receipt. So I send 80 euro in this bank account using my ING bank account, and here this is a transaction summary receipt. You take a printout this documents also, and after you apply, like I apply 4th of April, and after you take a printout entire documents like this, how many documents I inform, accordingly you take a printout each and every one and send this particular address, this one. This address is available on this application form. Initially, first process we start, you send this address of entire documents, and after that I'm applying this one. I send exactly on 12th of January, and after that I call the immigration office, are you receive my documents or not, 13th of January, end of January, and they confirm me. They are sending one of the letter, we are receiving your all documents and we are providing you as a biometrics related appointment. I apply this one 12th of January, and after I am receiving this letter 22nd of March, this letter I am receiving 22nd of March, and after that I apply fingerprint related appointment using this website. You go just visit on this website and apply as a fingerprint appointment, and after that you just look at this here, this is my finger biometrics appointment. And during the biometrics you need to carry your passport, letter of convenience, means this letter they are sending this letter on your mailbox on your home address. We need to carry the 3 letters, but you just carry your passport there and the convenient letter. Then accordingly you can very easily do the as a biometrics related information. For example, I visit on the biometrics in office like a Monday, so Friday they are informing me same day in Monday you can come to here Friday or next Monday and collect your new residence permit. So this is a simple process to get residence permit in Luxembourg. I already explained entire information, but if you have any question you can comment me, I will definitely help you. You just follow these tips and tricks and get renew residence permit here in Luxembourg. Hope you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.